What's going on, guys? It's your boy Meister Fruit, and we are doing another video on the GTA vehicle. Let's get right up into this.
Here's just like some little bonus content of just, you know, me on my way to the garage here. Enjoy.
Alright, so the message did come in. You see the new vehicle is not confirmed to the garage right here. So we're just gonna... Alright, so this is before I mod it out for you guys. Doesn't really look like the vehicle that Mr. Boss was talking about. Or even Freight Train, for that matter. You know, Mr. Boss has become a clickbait, but that's a different story. But yeah, this is what it looks like before I customize it. Let me get inside of it here. Take a look around before I do anything. Okay, just the basics here. Nothing impressive yet. Oh, the lights do come up. Alright. So I went ahead and called in my mobile operations center. I drove it down the street from the garage. And we're just going to pull this baby right into the mock over there. And alright, so first we get in, first thing I always do, I always go down the list here. You get your armor. That was 47k. Brakes, 33k. Bumpers. Let's see what we got for the front bumpers here. Secondary stock bumpers, sport bumper. Okay. So we'll just go for the tuner bumper. Rear bumpers. Not very much options. Just, you know, lift it up there. The engine. Let's see what we got for the engine there. Of course, max that out.
Look at that.
Ooh. We'll have the engine popping out. Yep, let's do that. Let's have the engine popping out.
Beautiful.
Exhaust. Alright. Oval exhaust. Fenders. We get fenders. Alright. Oh. Okay. Hood. Let's see what we get for the hood here. Guess we'll go with that right there. Lights.
Work of art.
Probably keep it white. Yeah. Livery. Let's see what we get for livery. Alright. Huh. Alright, so we are definitely going to be going with I'll put a livery on after I spray it. Gotta have my plates on there. There we go. Respray. Primary. We'll go with metals.
Gonna turn some heads.
Yeah. Secondary. We'll go with matinee. Ice white.
Looking damn fine.
Okay. Now we're just gonna slap that on there.
Ooh, sweet.
We'll go back to livery and see what's up. Alright. Alright, we'll just stick with this. And a spoiler. We get a spoiler? Yeah? Okay. Suspension, transmission, turbo, wheels, probably go with high end. Let's go with high end.
That's you set. Just right.
Just putting the basics on there. Alright, so we got it like fully customized and such like that. Oh, looks like there's guns in the front. So hell yeah, I got it fully customized and looking sharp. So I'll pull it out and see what's up. Okay, it looks like it does have machine guns. There they are right there. So I'm just going, you know, do a Mr. Boss test here. He made a video about submerging. So let's see if we have a land slash submarine on our hands. We'll just, you know. Nope, nope. Yep, see, it doesn't submerge. So overall, this is just another one of those look cars. It has the guns on the front. I didn't see no like missiles or anything like that. No submergible material of the sort. If you're into collecting cars like I am, you know, this would be a good collector's edition. But I mean, if you just get cars to show off, I mean, do not get it. It's another looks car. I don't think it's up for racing or anything like that. So, hell yeah. Be sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the fuck out of this video. Until then, pause.
Models popping bottles.